Hello, today I'm going to show you how to write a prettier and better context files. So this is my example app and it just switches the dark mode, and we have toggler here and global styles, and both are using the theme context that we have here. Now the problem is that our theme context just creates a context and it exports it. So inside our app we are using this theme context provider with the value that is inside our state here inside our app component. And now the problem is that when your app grows, you can have more and more state definitions here that will be provided by different contexts. So now it would be much better to get rid of this state from here and to move it here inside our theme context file. So to do this, let's open our theme context. And as you can see, it just creates an empty context and it exports it. To move state to this context file, I will define a new React component here, and let's call this one theme context provider. And this will be function because it's a component, and it will return theme context provider with all the values. For now we don't have them, but we can move it from the app component. So here we need our state. For now it's inside our app.js, but we can move it to the theme context provider like this. Here we'll just add use state, and now we can pass this state to our theme context provider like this, dark mode, and set dark mode. Okay, now we need to export it, so let's just add export here. So we are exporting also this function here. So let's go back to our app.js, and now instead of importing this context and defining our state here and using a context provider with this state, let's just get rid of this, our state inside our app, and this theme context provider, and also the closing tag of this. And now here let's use our new theme context provider without the dot like this. Now the closing part we need to move here, and we don't need this use state either. Now if I save, we get an empty page. This is because we are not using our children from here. So let's go back to our theme context provider, and here we have our props that we need to use, and we will use it here, theme context provider, and here inside let's use our props children, save, and it works. This can be also shortened, so I will do like this, and I will just pass all the props here, and this works as well. That's all for today. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Have a nice day and see you in the next one.